Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome back to Crypto Update. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you on how you can mine at least about 200 to 300 worth of BNB for yourself instantly on your Trust Wallet DApp or any other type of Web3 wallet, any wallet at all that supports Web3 interface. So right now in today's video, we're going to get into that. As you can see on our Telegram channel, as we have been doing consistently, we have been dropping various updates from the previous Shiba airdrop update to even the current free Shiba Inu update, where I actually announced that I received about $500 500,000 coins of Shiba Inu directly into my Trust wallet, and also withdrew this into my CoinPay wallet. So it is actually easy to earn from our channel. We drop daily updates from free airdrops to crypto mining, crypto staking, meme coins that you can trade to make 100x, even free future signals that you can actually trade to make much for yourself. So right now, make sure you get into our Telegram channel. If you need the link to this channel, is down in the description of this video. So just head way down, get that link, sign up and start earning some free crypto for yourself. So right now, let's get into today's tutorial. Let me show you on how you can mine BNB. As you can see, I actually started up this campaign and I showed you guys the BNB miner. I announced it on my Telegram channel and most of you got into it. As you can see, the name of this miner is actually the BNB chain miner, and on the day 2 of mining on this particular miner, I was able to make around $100 worth of USDT. So right here on this particular video, I'm going to be withdrawing this before you guys to show you that this platform actually works, and I'm also going to be showing you guys on how you can actually buy miners for yourself and get these miners to be mining for you about 5% daily profit instantly, guys. As you can see, many of us have already started this campaign. From this poll vote that I actually dropped here, many actually voted yes that they have actually started this up and they are actually earning. And also down right here, when I actually announced this, as you can see, majority still do not know how to mine BNB. So this tutorial is actually for you. If you do not know how to mine BNB, make sure you watch this video and get in and start earning. Why? There are still a few among us that have already joined this campaign and are earning about $1,500 and even $100 every single day. So guys, do not miss this update. Stay tuned to the very end of this video so you won't miss anything at all. And let's get into this. So now, to get into this miner, the first thing you need to do is to get the mining link. Now you can get this link down in the description of this video. It will also be pinned in my Telegram channel, or you can just head down in the description. You'll be directed to our blog and you simply need to copy this link and head over to your Trust wallet, the app. So now let's do this ourselves. Let's simply copy the link. As you can see, the link is right here on the channel. Where is that link? Okay, here is the link. I'm going to copy the link right now. And now I've copied this link, I'm going to head over to my Trust Wallet app. So right here, as you can see, I'm on my Trust Wallet app, and as you can see, I do not have much BNB currently on my wallet. I already have about 0.17 BNB, that is about $100 worth of BNB. So right in this tutorial now, right, I'm going to be withdrawing from the miner. I'm going to be withdrawing all I have earned so far from this particular miner to show you that it actually works, and then I'm going to show you on how I can easily buy miners. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to this section down here that says discover, or head over to the web browser on your Trust wallet. Now, once you're on the web browser, the next thing you simply need to do is to paste in the website link you copied in, or simply search for the website BNB Machine .tech. And it's that easy. Once you search up this website BNB Machine.tech, simply search on it on Trust Wallet. Now, as you can see, I've simply searched on it on Trust Wallet now, and it directs us into the BNB mining platform that we're going to be mining BNBs on. So right now, the next thing, the very most important step, is you need to connect your wallet. As you can see, initially when you load up the website, it directs you to connect your wallet to BNB machines. Now, as you can see, the wallet right here is Ethereum, but you see that this miner is actually a BNB mining platform, meaning that you need to connect your BNB wallet, that is your Binance Smart Chain wallet. So right now, the first thing you need to do is to click on cancel, and then once you click on cancel, head over to this top right section, the menu bar on your Trust wallet. Now, for some of you, actually this menu bar might be somewhere down here, but right here on my Android device, this menu bar is at the top right corner. And now I've clicked on it, I'm going to click on network, and now I click on network. I'm going to select the exact network, and the exact network you should select is what? BNB Smart Chain. So simply select BNB Smart Chain. So right now we have selected BNB Smart Chain, but yet we have not yet successfully connected our wallet. To connect your wallet, scroll way down and click on the connect button. So right now I've clicked on the connect button. As you can see, it pops up that notification, that modal again, and it tells me your BNB and the BNB machine wants to connect to your wallet, and now it shows me that the network and the wallet it will be connected to will be my BNB Smart Chain wallet. So I'm going to now click on connect. So now I click on connect. As you can see, the connect button disappears and it tells me mine now. So if I scroll way up, it tells me that this project has actually been live for about 9 days 14 hours. For now, as you can see, this project is actually new into the market. It's actually a brand new BNB mining platform that you actually should get into. The previous BNB mining platform that we actually talked about, we earned a lot of it, but we earned so much from it. But as you can see, most of you actually got into that BNB mining platform late, about after around 30 days after it launched, or after about a month, and it was actually late, although we still profited. But for the initial buyers that got in from day one, from the 5th day, from the 10th day, and they were consistently mining and taking profit for themselves, really enjoying the miner. So right now, this is an opportunity, another opportunity for you guys. Make sure you get into this miner on time so that you can start mining, you can start accumulating so much percentage profit on this particular miner, getting so much miner that you can actually earn so much. So right now, let's get into it. Let me show you how much I've earned and let me withdraw instantly into my wallet. So right now, as you can see, the miner is said to pay us about 5% daily. Also, you get about 5% from referring. If you refer your friends and they buy miners, you get 5% of anything, and this is actually a very major way of earning from this miner passively. But still, I'm going to show you on how you can actually earn from mining alone. Also, you have to withdraw every 24 hours if you wish to, but you can actually allow your earnings to remain in the miner for about 7 days and it will just be compounding. And once every 7 days, you can just come and withdraw your profit. So right now, for us to start mining, we are going to click on the button mine now. And once you click on it, it will direct you to the part of the website where you need to get in and start mining. So guys, as you can see right here on my user dashboard, as you can see, I actually started mining on this platform with a little amount of BNB. I started mining with just about $50 worth of BNB, and as you can see, my initial deposit right here says $50. So far, I have not withdrawn from this platform, and today will actually be my first withdrawal. But I've actually tested this platform using various other wallets, and it worked for me. So right now, we're going to withdraw, and I'm going to show you how it works. As you can see right here on the second part of my dashboard, it tells me that I have been able to mine about 0.34 BNBs. Yes, so far since the start of this particular BNB miner, I think I actually started this BNB miner on the day 4. Yes, on the day 4, and I posted it on my Telegram channel when I actually started this BNB miner. So right now, since the day 4, I've been able to mine about 0.34 BNB, and as you can see, I showed you my initial deposit into this miner was around just $50, and currently I have about 199, close to $200 worth of BNB right here on this particular miner. So right now, let's proceed. As you can see, I also have a lot of machine miners right here, and right now we're going to proceed. We are going to be withdrawing all our earnings instantly from this miner. And now to do this, you simply need to click on the withdraw button, and once you click on the withdraw button, it will withdraw all your profit directly into your wallet. So far, you have connected your wallet. So let's quickly do that. As you can see, it pops up a smart contract call and it tells me I should simply approve the smart contract call. And once I approve the smart contract call, it will withdraw all the funds into my default Trust Wallet balance. So I'm simply going to approve it right now. Click on approve and add in your password. So I have done that successfully. The smart contract has been approved. It has withdrawn all my earnings directly into my Trust Wallet. As you can see right here on the miner, it tells me that my total BNBs is now 0. It has gone from 0.3 BNBs to 0 BNBs, and right now the 0.3 has been transferred into my wallet. So let's head over to our Trust Wallet and see if truly we have received this amount of BNBs. So as you can see right here on my Trust Wallet, it shows me the smart contract call that I just called that issued a withdrawal from the miner. And you can see right here, I have a total balance of BNB. I have around $300 worth of BNB. That is about 0.51 BNBs and even a little bit more. So that is how I was able to withdraw from this miner. As you can see, I started mining on this particular platform with just about $50 worth of USDT on the day 4. And Currently, we're on the ninth day, and right now I've been able to withdraw about $200 worth of BNB. That is about 0.34 BNB instantly from this particular miner. So the miner actually works. I've showed you it actually works, and I was able to prove it right here on this video. So right now, for the newbies, for the beginners who still do not know how to mine, let me show you how you can quickly set up this miner. You already know how to connect your wallet. Let me show you how you can get back into the miner right now and buy BNBs for yourself. Buy enough BNBs that you can actually earn more than I actually earned on this particular video. So now, to do that, the first thing you simply need to do is to head over to your Trust Wallet browser, the same place we came from. And now you're on your Trust Wallet browser, you need to search up the website again. And what is the website? The website is bnbmachines.tech. And once you have typed it in, quickly search up the website. You should make sure your wallet is connected. You should make sure you have changed your network. To change your network, head over to the top right section, select your network to BNB Smart Chain. And now, once you have done this, the next thing you simply need to do, a very, very important step, is you need to scroll way down. And now, once you have done this, you head over to this section and you click on connect. As you can see, my wallet has already connected automatically, so I'm simply going to click on mine now to direct me on where I'm going to start mining. So as you can see, it tells me right now that I have a total balance of about 0.51 BNBs on my wallet address, and that is the total amount of BNB I have on my wallet that I just withdrawn to myself right now. And I'm going to be using from these BNBs to buy actually more miners that can actually earn me much more profit from this particular miner. So right now, for you to buy miners, now you have connected your wallet and you already have BNBs installed into your wallet. The next thing you simply need to do is to type in the amount of BNBs you wish to mine. So to type in the amount of BNBs you wish to mine, simply click on here. And now you have clicked there, you need to now simply type in the amount of BNBs. Now, as you can see, the minimum amount of BNBs you can actually buy is 0.01 BNB, but the maximum amount of BNBs you can actually buy is 100 BNB. So we're simply going to type in that we wish to buy around 0.5 BNB since we have 0.51 BNBs, and at the end of the day, maybe after a few days or maybe the next day, I'll be able to withdraw from this miner once again. So I'm going to type in 0.5 BNBs right now. So right now I've typed in 0.05 BNB. I'm going to click on higher miner. And now I clicked on higher miner, it loaded up a smart contract call. I simply need to approve the smart contract call, and at the end of the day, I will receive my miners and they will start mining for me. So simply click on approve below. And now I've clicked on approve. I'm going to add in my passcode, and it's that simple. So as you can see right now, I have been able to purchase more miners. I have a total of around over 128,000 miners right now, 128,000 machines, as you can see. And also, as you can see, my estimated daily yield has also increased to about over $100. So every single day I can be earning about $100, and the more I mine and mine and mine, compound my earnings, I will be able to even earn more than this. So it's actually easy to get into this miner. As you can see right here on this video, I've been able to show you that this miner actually works. I was also able to withdraw about 199 worth of BNB. That is about $200 right here before you guys. And also I actually bought more miners, and right now I have over 100k worth of miners, and this 100,000 miners, over 100,000 miners will be mining for me over $100 every single day. So it's actually easy to get into the BNB Machine platform. If you actually need this miner, get down in the description below, use my own referral link, get in, start mining on this particular miner. I'm actually earning, you also can join in and start earning. Now if you need a tutorial on how I was able to make at least $1,000 on this particular miner, yes, $1,000, yes, this miner just launched like 9 days ago and I'm already making like $1,000 from it. If you need a tutorial on how I was able to do that, go down the comment section and type in I want to make $1,000 from BNB machines, and I will make that my very next video, guys. But before that, make sure you get into the miner right now, start earning from it, buy BNBs from it, and start earning every single day at least 5% daily profit for yourself. And I will see you guys on my very next tutorial.